Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more travel tech reviews. In this video, we're diving deep into the Klook booking platform, exploring its user experience and offering a comprehensive review. Klook has become a leading platform for booking travel experiences, attractions, and activities across the globe. You can find links to the platform in the description below. Designed with the modern traveler in mind, Klook provides a seamless and intuitive way to discover and book a vast array of experiences, transportation options, and even travel essentials in destinations worldwide. Whether your travel style involves theme park adventures, immersive guided tours, efficient airport transfers, or discovering unique local activities, Klook streamlines the process. It offers an incredibly wide selection of options at prices that are often very competitive. One of Klook's most impressive features is its extensive network of experiences spanning Asia, Europe, and the Americas. By partnering with reputable providers, the platform offers everything from skip-the-line tickets at major attractions to culturally rich, off-the-beaten-path adventures. The flexibility to book activities in advance or even on the go, with instant confirmations, caters to both meticulous planners and spontaneous travelers alike. A key advantage of using Klook is its mobile-friendly booking process. Once you've booked, most tickets are instantly accessible on your phone via the Klook app, eliminating the hassle of printed vouchers. Furthermore, many experiences come with flexible cancellation policies, offering peace of mind should your travel plans change unexpectedly. Klook also integrates various transportation services, including airport transfers, rail passes, and car rentals, effectively becoming a convenient one-stop shop for all your travel needs. If you're planning a trip to a major city, you can even book public transport passes or hop-on hop-off bus tours directly through the platform. Beyond convenience, Klook frequently offers promotions, discounts, and cashback deals, providing further savings on popular attractions. For users seeking exclusive deals, the platform features flash sales and discounts that can significantly reduce travel costs. It also boasts a rewards system, allowing frequent users to accumulate credits for future bookings. In conclusion, Klook presents a fantastic platform for travelers seeking an easy and cost-effective way to book experiences, attractions, and transportation. Its user-friendly interface, combined with great deals and simplified trip planning, makes it a valuable tool. If you're looking for reliable and discounted travel bookings, be sure to check out the links in the description and explore what Klook has to offer for your next adventure.